Welcome, welcome. I am really appreciate for the perseverance and tenacity you are showing. I wish to quote Muhammad Ali. He used to say, I hated it every day when I went to the gym. But I told myself, suffer today and live like a champion for the rest of your life. So similarly, when you're learning something, it is real. It sometimes you will hate it, but I request you to follow the advice of Muhammad Ali, which I used to think of: suffer today and live like a champion for the rest of your life. So when we study literature, we must know the language used by literature. Unfortunately, we don't give that much importance to this aspect of literature. But for any entrance exam, this part will be tested. So in this short video, we are going to have a look at some of the features of language. Later, we will develop it. So what are the 6 important language devices used by literature? These are simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, allusion, and oxymoron. I'm sure you know of this, so I'm not expanding it further. Simile, as you know, it is a comparison of two concepts using the words like and as. For example, she was as graceful as a dancer. So comparison, instead of saying directly, we use a simile. And metaphor is again a figure of speech that compares two things, but this time not using the words like and as. For example, the road was a ribbon unfurling before them. It's a beautiful expression. The road is compared to a ribbon, but not using the word like and as. And personification is most commonly employed by poets. What is personification? You know that, a figure of speech that gives human qualities to non-human things. We have studied a lot of examples. Here I have quoted the flowers dances in the breeze, and we have Emily Dickinson, where she personifies death. I waited for him. So now we come to hyperbole. Hyperbole means exaggeration. You got it. You exaggerate something for emphasis. For example, I've told you a million times to clean your room. We use hyperbole in everyday of speech. I've told you 1,000 times. So it is an exaggeration. In fact, we never tell that much. And allusion. Allusion is what you may call it. It's a figure of speech which refers to a well-known person. For example, we say he's the Kalidasa Kalidasa is regarded as a Shakespeare of India. Or similarly, we compare people. Allusion. She was the Romeo of his Juliet. So ultimately, allusion is a figure of speech we use for what you may call comparing a well-known person. And oxymoron is the opposite of bringing two qualities. You know that. For example, she was a warm-hearted ice queen. So bringing two different opposite things to give an impact. So these are the common ways of expressing, making literature, an ordinary text into literature.